So hello student, our today's topic is types of set. In that first we will see singleton set. So the definition of singleton set will be a set consisting only single element is called as a singleton set. We will see example. For example, set of even prime numbers. We will denote that set by a, which is equal to 2. So 2 is only even prime number. So the set will be a is equal to 2. So that set is called as a singleton set because we have only one element. So that set is singleton set. So our second subtopic is empty set or null set. So the definition of empty set or null set will be if there is not a single element in the set which satisfies the given condition, then the set is called as a empty set or null set, and that empty set is denoted by that bracket with no element, or we can also denote by that symbol, and that symbol is called as a phi. The name of that symbol is phi. For example, suppose we have a question which is x such that x is a natural number between 2 and 3. So our question is we have to find the number x such that x is a natural number between 2 and 3. So the answer will be, solution will be equal to b is equal to 5 because we don't have any number between 2 and 3 which are natural numbers. We will get fraction but fraction is not a natural number, or we can also write by using that symbol 5. So that's that bracket is that answer is a empty set or null set. So our third subtopic is finite set. So the definition of finite set will be if the number of if the set is null set or number of elements of the set are limited and countable, then that set is called as a finite set. For example, we can take example. We have the set question like that, x such that x is a natural number between 2 and 5. So the answer will be C will be equal to natural number between 2 and 5 will be 3 and 4. So look here, we got answer C is equal to in the bracket 3 and 4. So now elements are countable. We can count that elements. We have 2 elements and limited elements. So that set is called as a finite set. And the next topic is infinite set. So the infinite is very similar to the finite, but here if the number of elements are uncountable and unlimited, then that set is called as an infinite set. For example, we can take n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So we have the set of natural numbers which are 1, 2, 3 and so on. So the natural numbers are uncountable. So that set is called as an infinite set. So our next topic is equal sets. So the definition of equal sets will be two sets are said to be equal. Sets A and set B are said to be equal if every element of set A is in set B and every element of set B is in set A. Then we can say then that set are called as equal set, and symbolically that set is represented as A is equal to B. That A is equal to B means that both the sets are equal sets. Now we will see some examples. So we can see the example of equal sets. So our first set is A is equal to x such that x is the letter of word listen. So the letter of the word listen are LISTEN. Similarly, if you look at the set B, x such that x is the letter of word silent. So if you look at both the words listen and silent, the order of the letters are not same, but then also that sets are equal because the elements which are present inside that set are equal. So we can write A is equal to B because both sets are equal. Now we'll see one more example. So I have written one more example. A is equal to x such that x is equal to 2n, that means multiple of 2. So n belongs to natural number. So x is between 0 to 10, less than or equal to 10, less than 0 and greater than 0. X is greater than 0 and less than equal to 10. So the answer will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is the answer of that question. Now second set is a y such that y is a even number between 1 to 10. 1 less than equal to y less than equal to 10. So we have to write the natural number, sorry, even numbers between 1 to 10. So the numbers will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if you look at the set A and set B, 2, 4, 6, and 10, 2, 4, 6, and 10. Both the elements are same. Number of elements are same. So therefore we can write A is equal to B. That means set A is equal to set B. So these are some example of equal sets. So I have taken one example of not equal. The sets are not equal. So if A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you look at the second set, one element is more as compared to the first one. So the elements are not same. So we can write A is not equal to B. Denoted by that. Okay, that symbol. Denoted by that symbol. A is not equal to B. This is how we have to denote the sets are not equal. So students, this is a practice set 1.2. I have written some homework questions for you. So just stop the video and write one question. I have to write one more question. So these are more homework questions. So just kindly stop the video and write down all the questions and try to solve by your own. Okay, thank you.